Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to discuss our YouTube analytics. So it is very important to know about your YouTube analytics. If you don't know your growth in YouTube, then you're going to fail in YouTube. So that's why we need to learn YouTube analytics. How can you know and how can you use this analytics in YouTube? So I'm going to open analytics. So you can see there are many options. So you can see there are overview, content, audience, revenue and research. I'm going to discuss all of this. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see my publishing video. And you can see my video, how many views I get. You can see from here. You can also change your date from here. In default, it shows me the 28 days growth in my channel. But I can also change this for 7 days to 90 days plus 365 days or lifetime or year or month you can select, or you can select custom from here. So I'm going to select 19 days from here. So in my 19 days view you can see from here and how many subscribers I get and watch time I made. You can see all of this in here. So I'm going to change this from 28 days. Now I'm going to discuss our content. In content, you can see my views and how many impressions I get. You can see this. And I'm going to see my impression click-through rate. It is 3.9% and average view duration. If you see this icon in below, it shows me which date I upload new video. You can see. If I scroll down a little bit, the key moment for audience retention, latest video, you can see from here. You can see the audience retention is still watching, and you can see my top videos from here. So it shows me how viewers saw my video. You can see many options. You can check this and you can know. So I'm going to see the first one overall, and browse features show me 43%, YouTube search 18% and external 30%, suggest video 8%. So if I click on external, so you can see the external option. From Google search 65%, WhatsApp 1.9%. If I click on YouTube search, show me my video name and it show me the percentage. The product management 30% and suggest video. You can see this from playlist is 9.7%. From top videos, you can see my top videos from here. You can see my top videos from here. And I click on audience. You can see my returning viewers, unique viewers and subscriber. So this color indicate me the new viewers, this one, and this color show me the returning viewer. Videos growing your audience, and you can see the channel your audience watch it. When your viewers are on YouTube, it show me when my viewers are on YouTube. It show me my time and date also, so you can easily understand which time and which date they are online. And you can see one more interesting thing in here. What my audience, what my viewers or subscriber watch another YouTuber video, what they saw in YouTube, whatever video they see in YouTube. You can see all of this. So this way you can get ideas in your channel. And if you know about this, you can also create this type of video for your YouTube channel. And this will help you to grow your YouTube channel very rapidly. The format your viewers watch on YouTube, last 28 days, videos, shorts and live. So I just upload videos, that's why it show me the videos are fully high. And here you can see top country, top geographics, which country are watch my video most. So first is United States, second is India, third is United Kingdom, fourth is Canada, fifth is Nigeria. And watch time from subscriber, many watch time I get for not subscriber is 94% and subscriber only 5%. So you can see this all of thing in your audience section. So you can see the all of thing, age and gender. Female are watching 40%, male are watching 85%. You can see their ages from here. You can also see my subtitle from here, top subtitle or CC language. It is automatically generated in my channel, French, Arabic or Spanish. Now we are going to move on our research. In the research, you can search your item in here or search your idea, what type of video you want to create or what you want to find or what you want to learn. In here you can search all of these. So if I search text to video AI, then it will show me more result about this. You can see this. People also search with this name. I search this one, but people also search this different name in YouTube. So you have ideas what type of title or tag you should use in your video and what type of keyword they search on YouTube, what type of name they use to search their desired video. And it show me some popular video. So if I click on switch, you can see this reduce my page and change it to another view. Your search or save. So I'm good default one. So in this way you can know your YouTube analytics. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.